Right, did you do that? Brilliant. Okay, what I've done here is I've actually made another image and some more text, and I've used the same IDs. In fact, I copied and pasted and changed. So what I've got now is the giant mega shark and some text about it, but I've kept the IDs, images right and text left on both. If we look at how that looks, I'm going to run this now, and we're going to take a look. You notice that it's all kind of mashed up and jumbled up. I didn't really want that. I wanted them to display as a nice table that filled the whole screen. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new type of div box, and this one is going to be like a table row, and I'm going to call it fact row. So I go back into my NetBeans, and just above here I'm going to make a new div. So div, I'm going to give it an ID, and that ID is going to be fact row. So fact row, and close that off. And at the end of that first row, that first fascinating fact, I'm just going to end my div box. There we go. So you can see now I've got a new one surrounding that fact, which I've called fact row. I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to use the same name. It's absolutely fine to use the same name. And I just copied and pasted, and I'm going to end that. So now what we have and make it neat. It's a good quality neatness. Is both of my facts are now contained within this great division, this great div box, and called fact row. I'm going to save everything. I'm going to test that, and nothing's happened. But that's okay. Is what we can do in the next video is I can show you how to make a style sheet that makes it behave like a table. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is create your second set of facts and another image, and I want you to put those inside a div box which we are going to call fact rows. Away you go.